weight loss sandwich recipe which is having just 135 calories. For this, take some onion, capsicum, tomato, crushed paneer, salt, chaat masala. To this, add chili flakes, oregano and little curd. Mix this well. So the stuffing is ready. So take a brown bread, add some tomato ketchup on it. Add the filling onto it evenly.
Be fucking real, man. Come on.
So now let's grill this. Grill it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And you can see this is ready. So this is having just 135 calories.